Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for credit card in DBS Bank Online. So here we have the first step is to visit the official DBS website and navigate to the credit cards section to choose the card that you want. So the next is to check the eligibility criteria. So you have to undergo the pre-application check. So the DBS application requirements are you must be at the minimum age 21 years old, and then you have the annual income, which is the minimum local currency amount, and the required documents, which is the NRIC, passport, or income proof. So you must ensure that you meet the minimum age and income requirements for the specific card before proceeding. Next is to click Apply Now. So you have to initiate the form. So once you have chosen your card, just click on the Apply Now button to start filling out the secured online application form. And then from there, you just have to complete personal information. So here you will have to put here the NRIC or the passport number, and as well as your date of birth. So you will need to enter your personal, residential, and employment details accurately. And also the existing DBS customers can often use their DigiBank credentials for faster pre-fill. Lastly is to review and then submit. So this is the final confirmation. You have to review all the sections carefully before submitting your application. So review the declaration and terms, then click submit, and then you will just receive an application reference number and an SMS confirmation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.